Oh, hey there. Welcome to the Ask the Expert. I'm your expert, Danowski of .nba.com. I got a heat and cooling question for you. Today's question is from Marvin. Hey, Marvin. How do I clean a mini split? I purchased this mini split. We cleaned the filter and everything, but the inside coil is dirty. How do I clean it safely because it is in the bedroom? If I use a hose, it's gonna mess up my bedroom. Well, yeah, if you do bring a hose to clean the air handler on the mini split and you're like spraying it out from your easy chair, that is gonna cause quite a mess, but it would be hilarious. And if you do that, please film it and send it to me. So how you do that? You got an air handler on the wall for a mini split, you got a condenser outside, the air handler is blowing air, there's a filter, you clean the filter, but the coils in that air handler can still get dirty. So how do you clean those? Okay, so there are mini split cleaning kits available out there. You can find them lots of places. Basically what they're gonna do is they're gonna send you a bucket, 5-gallon bucket. That's gonna have your cleaning kit stuff in there, and it's gonna have this big plastic bag that you put over the air handler, and that bag is gonna go down into a tube that goes into your bucket. So when you do clean out the air handler, all of the junk goes down in the bucket, and then you just pick it up and you go outside and dump it in your neighbor's ferns. And that's how you clean it. That's real easy. The other way you clean it, you find a local HVAC guy in your area, and you go like, oh, hey, Frank, do you do mini split cleaning? And he's like, yeah, I'm Marvin, I'm an HVAC contractor. That's literally like a huge part of what I do. And you're like, oh, can you come clean it for free? And he'll be like, no, you're gonna have to pay me because this is my job. I'm a professional. And you say, okay, and they don't come do it. Or you get the bucket. Okay, bye. Oh yeah, do you have questions about buckets or mini splits and how to clean them, or why guys named Frank want to charge you for doing their job? Then just ask in the comments below. Okay, bye.